That last week and they already best friends, already best friends.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, riding or dying. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Simona. Welcome back to my video. If y'all can see by the title, today's video is sponsored by Gona Jewelry. So before we get into this video, y'all already know what I want you guys to do. Help me get to 150k. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up and comment down below. So yes, today we are talking about Gona Jewelry. If you don't know what Gona Jewelry is, it is a jewelry company that is based out in Paris, you guys. Paris, I know, I can't believe it either. But yes, so Gona Jewelry, here's their website. They do have a lot of different items that you could choose from. Most popular items is the charms. So you could do charm bracelets, charm earrings, rings, and you could also do necklace as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from Gona Jewelry. So as y'all can see, they come in these cute little bags, gift bags that you go ahead and give to your friends, family, whoever you're buying something for. And then they also have individual boxes that they come in. So these are super cute. Of course, I already opened everything, but let me go ahead and show y'all what I got. So yes, the boxes open up just like this. And inside our boxes, we have our charm earrings.
That last week and they already best friends, already best friends.
Let's go ahead and get up close and personal with these earrings. So like I said, these earrings have charms on them. These are hoop earrings. Y'all can see they're little dainty cute earrings. They are gold and they do have the charm on there. You could take this charm off, put it on your bracelet if you want to add more, or you could put it anywhere you want. But let me just show y'all how the earrings, the charms are removable. So as y'all see, they slip right off, and y'all don't have to worry about them falling off or moving around in your ear, because like I said, they're hoops, so you don't even got to worry about none of that. But I like that you could change these out and switch them to a different charm if you want to, or keep them on there.
So as you guys can see, this is how our charm earrings look. And I showed you guys how you could take the charm off. So if you wanted to switch the charm on the earrings, you could go ahead and do that. These are a lightweight hoop, so you do not have to worry about them hurting your ear. They do not hurt at all. It doesn't feel, I don't feel any type of tug. The gold is very bright and shining. Like, it is a good quality of jewelry. Like, it's tarnish free, so you don't have to worry about anything like that, and you could keep this jewelry for a long time. So as y'all can see, like I said, there's just a little hoop. So even if you wanted to take off this, and y'all seeing I took it off, you could wear it as the little hoops without it, or you could keep the charm and switch them out. So our next item we're going to get into is our necklace, and I'm going to show you guys more in details about this one.
And as I showed y'all this one, let's get up close and personal, and it is our necklace. So that is the charm necklace. The strings from the necklace and the bracelet is from the Versace Gold collections. So you guys, that is very, like, yeah, look at the quality. It is very beautiful. So this is the clamp to clamp the necklace. It is a safety clamp, y'all. You have to, I stuck my nail in it and pushed it through to open it, but I'm pretty sure it's an easier way. But I like how it is, because you don't have to worry about your necklace opening or coming off, and it looks like one of the charms. So I think that's very cute too as well. So I wanted to show you guys how the charm could come off and on, and that's me putting it back on. If you want to keep your necklace with the charm on there, or if you want to switch it out and add more or take away, you could do it however you want to do it. And I went ahead and showed y'all that as well. And then you go ahead and just clamp it back on, and you good to go. You don't got to worry about it coming off.
This is how it looks on. It's very short, like a choker, and it's super cute, dainty, and just really cute for any occasion. I feel like you could either dress this up or dress it down. I like how you could wear it if you're going out. It just gives that cute look, like an elegant look, but you could also wear it if you're going to just hang out. It just gives a cute, fine jewelry piece. As y'all could see, y'all seen I took this off. You could go ahead and change out the charm if you want to wear it with or without. You could change out the charm, or if you want to keep this one. That's one thing I love about their jewelry. It's not anything that's permanent, because you could always switch it out if you want. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and get into our last item, which is the charm bracelet. This is my favorite item, just because with charm bracelets, like, you could really dress it up, but you could do this as well with the necklace. But let me go ahead and get more in detail.
So last but not least, we're going to get into our charm bracelet. And like I said before, this is one of my favorites. So I'm going to show you guys all the pieces. They did send over the pieces for me, because I wanted them to pick. At first I was going to pick, but I'm like, I want them to surprise me. So let's go ahead and get a look into all of these. So first one, we're going to go ahead with the Hug Me heart. That is super cute. That heart, that's the clamps. And then we have this heart with the cross on it. We have the cute little ball, another ball with the leaves on there. And then we also have this one. It looks looks like a dime or quarter, you know, a coin or something like that. Another ball with some rhinestones in it. And then we have this one with an eye on it. That one was really cute to me with rhinestones. And we have we went through all of them, sorry. But yes, the heart clamps looks like the charm, and that's one thing that I love too, is that the clamp looks like a charm, so it doesn't throw it off. And then this is another one, you could take that off. So I was just showing you guys how these could come off. The bracelet did come assembled for me, and I believe when you get yours it might come assembled as well. I can't make any promises, but y'all, just in case it don't, it doesn't matter. I'm showing you guys how easy and simple it is to put these charms on your bracelet. And like I said, this string is from the Versailles Gold series, so make sure you guys are checking that out because this is some heat. Quality is amazing, and it's lightweight jewelry. One thing I love is about this jewelry is so lightweight, so it's like you putting it on, you have the accessories, but you don't have to worry about it like weighing you down or anything like that. So as y'all see, you can mix and match them. If you want to take some off or you want to place them different, I went ahead and just stringed it back up, and it didn't take me no time to go ahead and put it on. And my bracelet is still charmed up and looking super cute. You could pick your charms yourself. Like I said, again, every individual charm will be listed down below in the description box, so you could go ahead and pick out what you want to get for you or like a loved one. So I'm showing you guys how I put my bracelet on by myself. You don't need nobody to help you with this one. And look, I went ahead and just put the thing in there and clamped it down. Again, and how the clamps is, you don't have to worry about it coming off. You're good to go all day. You could shake your arm around, because I've tried, baby, and this bracelet stayed right on.
Already best friends. She's a joy, just stay friends, man.
And as y'all can see, my charm bracelet, y'all see when I had it on, and this is super cute. These are the best for like best friend bracelets. And as y'all could see, even though it's a little loose on me, it does not come off of my wrist. So yeah, it's super cute. And it's like with the necklace, you can switch it up, and if you want to make the necklace super charmed out, you could do that as well, because y'all see everything is attachable. Like you could take it off or you could put it back on, and y'all see how easy it is to do so. So yes, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to go ahead and shop Gona Jewelry. Everything will be listed down below in the description box, the exact charms that I have, and also the earrings, the necklace, everything will be listed down below. So don't forget to go ahead and shop Gona Jewelry. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask me as well. I do have a discount code for you guys, Simone. Make sure you go ahead and using that code so you could get 20% off your first order. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.